Alright guys, thank you everyone that entered. These are all the names that had entered or said they were in the comment section in the video. Here's video proof of everyone. I want everybody to know they got a fair chance to win. And I went on this site and just done a random number drawing after I physically wrote them all down. And it's going to pop up here in a minute. Here's the site, and you can see the result was number 7. Number 7, we're going to scroll down the list here and see it was Travis Dackey. Hope I'm saying your name right, Travis. Shoot me a message and let me know your information so we can get it out to you. Alrighty, thank you.